In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me print. First, check to ensure your printer is installed and selected correctly. In OneNote, open the print menu. You need to verify that your physical printer is selected. Sometimes it defaults to Microsoft Print to PDF or another OneNote virtual printer. If you don't see your printer listed, don't worry. You can add it through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Printers and Scanners. After adding your printer, make sure to restart OneNote. This step is crucial because a properly selected printer is the first line of defense against printing issues. Once that is done, close OneNote completely and reopen it. This simple action can often resolve minor glitches that may be causing the problem. If reopening OneNote does not help, try restarting your computer. This can clear stuck background processes that may be blocking the printing function. Microsoft support often highlights this as a common solution. You might be surprised how many issues a simple restart can fix. Next up, test your printer with another application such as Notepad or Word. This is important because if other apps cannot print either, the problem is likely with the printer or its driver. If those applications print correctly, then OneNote might be the issue. But if the printer fails to respond in those apps, then you will need to focus on troubleshooting the printer itself. This way, you can narrow down where the real issue lies. After that, restart the Windows Print Spooler service. Start by pressing Windows and R keys together. This will open the Run dialog box. In that box, type services.msc and press Enter. You will see a list of services. Locate the Print Spooler service. Right-click it and select Restart. This action clears any stuck print jobs and can often resolve printing issues. A refreshed print spooler allows your print tasks to flow smoothly. If printing still fails, you may need to update or reinstall your printer driver from Device Manager. To do this, open Device Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Look for your printer in the list of devices. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. If that does not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling the driver and reinstalling it. This ensures you have the latest version which can fix compatibility issues. Always having an updated driver is essential for optimal printer performance. If OneNote gets stuck on a message like cleaning up from the last time it was used, you might need to clear the OneNote cache or repair Office. To clear the cache, navigate to the OneNote settings. Alternatively, you can go to Control Panel, then Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft Office, right-click, and select Repair. This is a useful move if OneNote has become unresponsive or slow. You'll see improvements after these actions. Finally, if OneNote keeps sending documents to the wrong notebook instead of printing, go to File, then Options, and select Send to OneNote. Change the setting to Always Ask Where to Send. This adjustment ensures that your documents will be sent to the correct location. It prevents confusion and makes your printing process much smoother. By managing these settings, you enhance your workflow and reduce frustration. By following these steps carefully, you can resolve your printing issues in OneNote. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to printing smoothly in no time.